Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about your favorite artist, Vybz Probox. Because you see a number of updates. And I'm not giving them. I'm going to go every time something I'm with Barabbas. I'm drop a video pan the day. Just wait till them pile up. And then me compile them up and drop it in a video. Because Vybz Poppy Show already has started to sick the people in stomach. Even people who left say free Barabbas already had enough of him. Now he's venting on social media, tell people how them broke and they're hungry and has to be studied. Ticket price, I must say 50% off. Barabbas' grand return so far hasn't been living up to their expectations. Never thought about it. Before we go into that, 2 Patreon birthday shout out. First one goes out to Jamaican. Patreon from March 2021. Jamaican, don't know it already, bro. Don't reason it already and show you a certain thing on Patreon. But happy birthday, see you me. Big up yourself. One time when you see people like Jamaican, they run the movement from all 2021. I understand, so I don't take these people for granted. Especially on Patreon, because I must say Patreon, it's not like YouTube, you know. Anybody can just log into YouTube and watch a video. Patreon is a whole different thing. So when somebody has supported on Patreon from 2021, and you don't have an album to sell, you know, make music, you know, play basketball, it's a different level. I just support that. So people like Jeremy, well, let's give thanks for them support continuously. Right. Big up yourself, Jeremy, and live long and prosper. Right, that's Jeremy from the Patreon squad. Big up, Jeremy. Next up, we have another veteran of the Patreon squad, DNJ. DNJ make a special request. He say, look, YouTube, I know why just big me up on birthday. But more big up C4 and the banker too. Make C4 know some rate him and rate him highly. Love for him turn him life around and the impact him have on Spanish Town. Because the people them who know the real Spanish Town know say the C4 them do are the real impact. So even though people say, oh, them board are informer, enough people are Spanish Town. Give thanks to people like C4 because they remember what it was like. They remember what it was like. And even though enough man bust the case, when they see them bust the case and go back a road go dead. C4 actions directly disrupted the Klansman gang operation. Right. Make every gunman think right now man afraid of phone so them don't even know to do themselves. Also inspire other man. Right. To do certain things similar. We never hear about them down the road. So in time me or DNJ say big up C4 and big up the banker. It's alright, I'm gonna make them know publicly. So a DNJ says so. See a film breaking about him, I say no, to big up too. So DNJ, nothing but respect, bro. Big up. We talk about Vybz Probox. Call him Vybz Probox because him common. Tell the same love video like love attention. Barabbas proclaimed to be, get a youth this and get a youth that. Tell us Barabbas is a fraud because the amount of get a youth Barabbas make lose them life. Want to get a youth in buy a gun give. Barabbas is the type of youth where follow to 87. Run program pan the 87. Then when time man said the 87 dead. Jump up first. Why? You can't go to dark. Somebody have to dead back. Run back retaliation. Big war go under the community and the whole time I am killed off by killing the 87. Wait till you see the Massacre video. Wait till you see the Jackie video. You don't want to miss it. But Barabbas also love to tell you how him love poor people. And him against the system. I'm tell you say Barabbas is the system's golden boy. And the system why Barabbas that road. Barabbas don't love no poor people. He made it clear him soon as nothing more than sheep. As soon as Barabbas upset because people laugh after Barabbas, his number one response, you're broke. You're hungry. But you love poor people, so why would you use hunger and poverty and not having nothing as a weapon? Why would Barabbas weaponize poverty when he claims that him is for ghetto people and for poor people? Think about it, no? Cheap guy, think about it. Why would he weaponize the fact that people broke? When surely, being the chief shepherd, right, I know him going like him love poor people and go like he has empathy. He doesn't. Barbas don't even know what that word mean. The reptile don't business about nobody. Him just soon as nothing more than sheep to stuff him and people like Joe Bogdanovich pocket. So when time the sheep jump up and make nice, him start showing true colours and reminding himself, we don't know nothing more than some little dirty hungry people. Why is Barbas weaponizing hunger? Barbas, you love the poor, right? Why would you weaponize poverty and hunger and who not have nothing? That should make you sad. It shouldn't be a weapon, Barbas. You should be sad, say people hungry. You should be bothered, say people hungry. Remember, because you love the poor? Just like a politician. When them say them love the poor and them are get this for free and get this for free. But really, they don't love the poor. They see the poor as nothing more than tools to help them, to give them more power and more wealth. Nothing more than that. How can somebody who love poor people weaponize poverty? Doesn't add up. All the years people are this to look at YouTuber. Look how much time people say look at YouTuber for dead and all them something. Have you ever seen me come and say come weaponize poverty? Of all the things we make fun of people for, how me fi use poverty? Right? And weaponize it on people. I'll make fun of people for a whole heap of reasons, but it can't be poverty. I'll make fun of Irish Saxons for a whole heap of things, but not poverty. I'm gonna tell man, you can't talk to me because you're broke and you don't have nothing. What? 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 How can I sit here as somebody who talk about the culture and talk about Ironman and talk about crime and the economy and then gonna tell man, see, you can't talk to me because you're broke? That's ridiculous. Not because somebody broke no means them not have a brain or them don't have a point. It's ridiculous. But this is your favorite artist. Remember, way back in the day, I'm telling you, there's a difference between education and intelligence. I'm telling you, enough people don't have much education, but they're still intelligent. Enough people don't go to big school, but they can still reason. So me make you know, say that the man they right there, so you might be educated with a LIQ. But me not gonna tell them, say, that the man they can't tell me nothing because him broke. Why does socioeconomic status exempt someone from stating something completely obvious like the fact that Barbas is washed up? And when you point that out, he gets upset. Barbas them spending much money on much blog to promote. There's a reason why certain blogger push Barbas, because they pay them to. It's the cyber payola. Cyber payola. When a certain album drop and you see man suddenly start push Barbas, it's cyber payola. And that's fine because I get it, it's business. But don't try act like say Barbas thing up like that. Barbas is washed. He knows he's washed. Nobody can take away Barbas' catalog of his songs. But Barbas that exists now, the reptile that exists now, is washed. Of course, he can always find one next hit song because end of the day, that's Barbas. He must can find something in him. But Barbas come back a road and I told you, instead of acting like an elder statesman, he's still trying to quote unquote run the place like one little young youth. Barbas, go one side, you're an elder statesman now. His little antics and tactics are just like one little young youth, like Pops YG and them little new youth. They were just desperate for attention by any means, and if you say anything to them, they're very fragile and upset. That makes sense for the young youth them, but somebody like Barbas a brush 15. Barbas a big man that age, you know. Him still a little boy in my mind. Same old weak, insecure Barbas. Don't care much money him have. I just said on to him, he can get up 9 feet. Yo, where you went? You don't have more money than me, and you're broken. Fragile superstar, you know. Fragile. I'm fragile. The man love make fun of people for being broke, but he loves the poor. This is what DJs do, you know. When you build these dopey back DJs, gas them up, put money in them pockets for them turn on and laugh at phone. Right now, one of the biggest songs in America is that song named Brokey. For one girl named Lato, made the song Brokey. When I listen to the lyrics, I said, why are these entertainers who claim to them come from ghetto and come from black community and know the black people and really have it like that? Remember the idiot DJ boy governor? I don't know if forget about him because in 5 minutes I feel up. But I'm trying to refresh your memory. But Puss in Boots sidekick. Remember I'm going to build tune about look a bit of money and them saying, look one governor. I got to tell man about look a bit of money. You think a joke thing ask no for your favorite quote unquote top man them. How much money them they have and ask them what I go on now. There's nothing make money happier than leaving people's pocket. Nothing make money happier. Money come like some little bad dog when you like stay in the yard. You know them dog there? They find every way for life as some money stay. Barbass don't come from prison and tell people about money and who broke and who hungry. You see them drop ticket price about half price Black Friday sale. Barbass show and ticket sales has been underwhelming. Anytime you hear somebody say them a drop 50% off of something, that means that nobody is scampering to get it. That happened because Joe Security Bogdanovich, one of Barbass many white daddies, got caught up in the hype. He saw the hype after Barbass get released. So them set the price based on hype. But me tell you, say hype cannot be measured. Hype is fleeting and fading. Hype come and go. The hype around Barbass gone. Maybe if the show was, this is how they would get that money. You see the ticket price them charge. Then they get it if the stage show was 1 day after Barbass get released from prison. But by the time December 31st come around, Jamaicans are already tired of the reptile Barbass. The only way he would have maintained that hype is to get some mystery. That's why I said, if I was in Barbass' position, the day I'm released from prison, wouldn't not see me again. Until the night of the show. Then everybody I wonder what on, and everybody is so desperate to know this, and desperate to see this, and I wonder what I'm gonna look like, wonder what him voice sound, wonder him talk, wonder what this, wonder what that. But Barbass step on every street corner, any weapon knock, Barbass there. Barbass in a Mecca mood and the battle girl them. Barbass in a Mecca, open it and close it down. People go to Mecca go see Barbass and say, oh, see him there, I am that. Not much to look at. Gone back in the yard. Why would they pay them money if you go watch Barbass now? So now you say what I want 50% off. Let me tell you something, guy. They're already panicking. If they have to give away the ticket them for full stadium, they might give them. To take shame out of them, yeah, if they have to give away the ticket them, they're going to give them away. Let me say that one more time. They're already in panic mode. Sales not matching what they thought. They clearly don't know how to set price. They got it terribly wrong. If them offer give away the ticket them, they're going to give them away. Complete madness. Mr. Barbass jump out and say, but you know the pan of politics thing. Nonsense, he got caught. Guy, it's too late. We already saw you. We saw you on that stage. Now all of a sudden you deal with politics. It's too late, guy. Barbass is a political pawn. Me telling you, how him touch back the road. Me telling you, when him first step out with that orange rag, I'm telling you what was going to happen. Only say a coincidence. Him tell you say, I'm not political. Then you saw him on the stage. Barbass do these things. Him come out and just openly lie to people because him see Jamaicans as sheep. So him can do anything. And then even time he realize, oh, but that's really gonna do. And you tell you something that you do. Him just say something else and the sheep just follow back at him. But now he's realizing, hold on there. May I get all kind of backlash. So now him jump back. Oh, I'm not involved in politics. I'm not involved in politics, guys. Too late. And let me tell this to Sheep Nation. Let me say this to many Jamaicans. Barbass is trying to see your face. As I'm talking about, oh no man, we not work with the PNP. I say I'm for everybody. He's trying to see your face. But let me tell you the Sheep Nation. If Vybz Probox try and turn his back on the machine that free him, he will be in grave danger, and I don't mean the disease. Let me say that one more time. If Vybz Barbass try and turn him back, Barbass make all kind of deal and agree to all kind of things for him touch back road. But this is all by design. Matter of fact, if him try and turn him back on the machine will free him, he will be in a grave situation. And me not talk about grave disease. Read between the lines. Barbass is a little DJ boy. Him only powerful to him fans them and people like little YouTuber like me who you know say, right, no have nowhere near the amount of star power with him have. The machine will gas up Barbass and send him Gary Road. If him ever try turn him back on that, we not go see what general. Understand this guy. Barbass is the top puppet for the machine. They make all kind of deals in return for this and return for that. Matter of fact, who no realize that Barbass get nominated for Grammy. Barbass got nominated for a Grammy for an album Jamaicans don't even know exists. Gaza fans are here say, well, on, when I drop again? All them thing there is because of Barbass agreed certain deals. He would get this, get that, and in return, him daddy them get this and get that. You call me a conspiracy theorist. Guy, do not be silly. Of all the albums, of all the projects, Vybz Barbass could have gotten a nomination on, this one here cannot be the one that makes sense. This is all a part of the fact that Barbass being a part of the system was given certain, let's just say, perks, and in return, him get this and him get that. All time Barbass will have whole heap of tune and whole heap of projects and all kind of sitting where could I get this and get that. But not that the foolishness there. That the Mickey Mouse foolishness belonging at the toilet. And that him get nominated on. Barbass got nomination over people who that deserve it way more than him. You can hate the little YouTuber all you want. You know I'm right on that. Barbass don't deserve no nomination for the Mickey Mouse project there. No nomination. And you know I'm somebody who don't take away the fact that Barbass have tune. You know I'm gonna take a Barbass tune them from him. But them the tune there, Grammy don't work off of empirical data, they don't work on numbers. It's not like say, who have the best selling this and something you can measure and trace back. Honestly it work. Man win Grammy for album, best reggae album, and people who are reggae fans are asked one name so. That's how Grammy work. Barbass was given certain perks. In go on road, you can get this, you go and get this, in return, you give us back that. But you're going to say me a conspiracy theorist though. You're going to tell me it's pure coincidence that's the same time Barbass dropped back from prison. The same time he get Grammy nomination, same time this and all these things are coincidence. Same time you see him on PNP stage with him daddy Marcus Saxon. All these things are just coincidence. And I'm just a hating conspiracy theorist. So enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself and good luck. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.